Now, before you start typing, no, my engine is not knocking. These Audi engines, especially the A4 2.0, is pretty noisy, so please bear with me. Exhaust coming soon. Forgot my seatbelt. Policia. Why that thing is rattling. Can't even really, because they are going fast, bro. That's crazy. wiped my windshield too. That quick trip. Bro, I can't even do nothing, bro, cause it's like they going fast already. So like me going 80 plus is not enough. And I will not be going 90 plus because I do have a slow leaking tire. So I don't know how long that's gonna last. I was gonna try to like, you know, but everybody going fast. So they're in front of me. They have to be going like 90 plus. He's getting away from me. Yeah, he's going like 90 plus. That's crazy. I won't go that fast. I don't know, people in the other lanes probably looking at me. I got this big iPhone 16 Pro Max on my head. Cause I don't got a GoPro. Alright, this is the GoPro for now. Like, bro, he's going at least 90. I know for sure. I know for sure he's going at least 90. Let me put my hood on, bro. And turn the heat down. Y'all think this Camaro won't smoke? Bro did not want no smoke. Come on, bro. Car behind me following me? Bro's in an Impala. He's trying to sleep. Bro's literally following me. That's crazy. He's like on my tail too. Is this the Impala? He's going around. Yes, that's the Impala, bro. Bro better slow. Oh. Yeah, bro need to slow it down. Bro need to chill. Your tail light is already going out, bro. You need to slow down. Bro trying to cut up. Bro probably thought I was trying to cut up, so he was trying to join. But I ain't doing that, bro. I don't cut up, bro. I'm honestly too scared for that. Like, what I did back there, that was the most I ever do. Like, bro, everybody going fast. I can't really, I don't know, bro. Maybe I'm just slow. Once I get new tires, I'm getting new tires in like a week or two. So I should, yeah, it's gonna be better. Give me a couple weeks. I'm getting all 4 new tires. I ain't getting in that lane. Bro is on his bumper. don't see this tunnel that I'm gonna have to go through. It's lights all around. I wish I had that light around me all the time. Y'all gonna see. There's some crazy lighting, bro. Also, if it's noisy, like if you can hear the highway and everything, it's because of my tires. My car is usually not noisy. My tires are just actually my tires not even that bad. I don't know what's going on. I need new tires. I want to get new tires, but like my tread and everything, it's not even like that bad. So I don't know why. Like I don't know, bro. I don't know what's going on. So if it's noisy, my bad. Too slow. Oh, I should have went over there. We're good. Straight lane. Don't do it. Oh, it's water over here. There it is, the beautiful downtown. I wish you can hear my exhaust. I got the perfect downshifts. Like, look at that. I can hear it. It sounds good, but I wish I had a good exhaust on. This is the tunnel I'm talking about. They don't have all the lights on like usual, but that RSQ8. Go. It's always the Altimas that either want to go super slow or be super dangerous. This is the tunnel I'm talking about though. You can hear my exhaust kinda in there. These Audi A4s really sound pretty good to me. I don't know about anybody else. These 2-liter turbos sound pretty good, but it's the end of this video, man. I want y'all to like and subscribe, comment what y'all want to see more, and yeah, let me know what y'all want to see more of. I'll probably do more of these. I'll do more of these videos, and I'll make sure it won't be that noisy. Have some better lighting too, so y'all can actually see my shifts and everything. But yeah, like and subscribe. Turn on post notice. I think by the time I drop this video, I hit 500 subscribers, so appreciate y'all for that. Yeah, road to 1K now. It was road to 500, road to 1K now. And yeah, again, like and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. Tune in for more content on the way.